Hi, I'm Natalie with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and today on Embroidery 101 we're going to do the back stitch. This is a great outlining stitch. It's super simple and fun. It's good for embellishments, straight lines, curved lines. Anywhere you want to do an outline, you can write words with it. It's just great. All right, so I've got a knot in my thread, and what we're going to do is start underneath so your knot is hidden. You bring your needle up, make your first stitch just about 1/8 or 1/4 of an inch away from where your needle came up. All right, so just to show you it a little bit closer, we're going to bring the needle up from the back, and then we're going to stitch it back down right next to where your last stitch ended. And we'll continue to do that. So we'll come up from the back, and then we'll go backwards right down next to the last stitch, like so. Now if you wanted to, you could continue this across. Lots of people do it. Whoops, sorry, you've got to, it's a little bit tricky sometimes, but you can go, instead of having to go under and back, you can use your needle like this and get that stitch done a little bit more efficiently. But that is something that comes with practice. So don't be too stressed if you have to do one stitch at a time. This is just another way to get the job done. Okay, so I have a fun project to show you that we use backstitch on, and again, you can use it for all kinds of different things, words and shapes, all outlines that you like, but this is so cute. We put a little kitten in a pocket, and I just love it. It's adorable. Embroidery is great for all of your accessories, clothing, quilting. It's fun for writing words and drawing pictures. It's great for line work. If you enjoyed this video, there's lots more where that came from. I have a whole channel called Embroidery 101 where I teach you what you need to know to get started and also give you tons of tips and ideas to refresh your memory and help you to advance in your embroidery journey. So click the link below, and I hope you enjoy. Happy stitching!